Looking for brighter, clearer visibility on the road? The Sylvania H11 SilverStar Ultra High Performance halogen headlight bulbs are designed to deliver maximum downward visibility with a whiter, crisper light. Featuring patented tri-band technology, these bulbs improve contrast and clarity, helping you see street signs, road hazards, and other vehicles more easily. Over time, headlights dim, so it's best to replace them in pairs for consistent illumination and optimum performance. Before purchasing, be sure to check your vehicle's user manual to confirm you're getting the right bulbs. The manual also contains diagrams and instructions on how to locate and replace your headlight bulbs step by step. Now let's walk through the installation. First, pop the hood and locate the headlight assembly. Turn the old bulb counterclockwise about a quarter turn and gently pull it out. There's a small release tab that can be a bit stubborn. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully guide it off if needed. Always handle halogen bulbs with cotton gloves to avoid shortening their lifespan. Once installed, you'll instantly notice brighter headlights and improved nighttime visibility. I sure did.